My clients for our project were a young couple who were just getting married. They're big entertainers and they really want a space that they could, number one, entertain, have all their friends over, have an open concept, but also grow into as they grow older and have a family. When we first saw this house, it had all the original flooring and trim work. It really didn't work for our clients. They owned a loft space prior to this, and that's where I met our clients. And they had really eclectic taste, very mid-century, and so we took those ideas and we transitioned it into their new home. When you first enter the house, we put a really funky hexagon tile that has a mishmash of color and design. And we follow that up with having oversized white oak doors going into the front entry closets. When we introduced the tile to the front entrance, there wasn't a really comfortable way to stop it and start it. So what we did is we transitioned it into the kitchen and cut it into the hardwood. That way there wouldn't be a massive heavy strip separating the two rooms because of the open concept aspect, and allows for a much more comfortable transition between the spaces. Our clients had very different thoughts on their final space. She wanted something really light and pretty and feminine. He wanted something more masculine, mid-century, and eclectic. So we actually fused their spaces. So we ended up doing both designs and kept both clients really happy. So on her side, we kept with soft white counters that really accentuated the gold hardware that we added to the space. And on his side, we went with a really masculine dark gray stain, and again, accentuated with gold hardware. So this still fused the spaces, but created a really nice separation. We also chamfered all of the trim around his side, so it created a softer integration and created a bit more of a piece of furniture in the space. The client that we work with owns a custom furniture company that we work with as well. So this was his opportunity to really shine in his own space. He was able to do all the interiors in wood rather than in melamine. He was able to put in all these hidden drawers and hidden cabinets for all of his coffee pods and for his microwave and things that most clients might shy away from, but he really was willing to go that extra mile to really introduce it into the space. They're so happy with the results. They're so excited. They play host all the time, and they have so many friends that come over and have such wonderful things to say about their space, and they can't wait to finally finish the rest of the spaces.